Hey everyone, Michael here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix network error in CapCut. Stick around to the end for a complete walkthrough on troubleshooting this issue. Let's get into it. First up, let's rule out the most obvious culprit, your internet connection. Open up any web browser and head over to Google. Type in speed test and run the test. Basically, you want to see if you have a stable and fast connection. If it's slow, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Next, let's check if the issue is on CapCut's end. Type "Is CapCut down" on Google and visit Down Detector. If you see a spike in reported outages, then well, there's your answer. You might just have to wait it out. Still facing issues? Let's head over to the App Store and see if there's an update available for CapCut. Sometimes updating the app can fix known bugs and glitches, so it's always a good idea to keep your apps updated. Last but not least, if you've tried all of the above and nothing's worked, consider downloading a VPN. Sometimes changing the internet routing can resolve the network error you're facing in CapCut. If you've got any questions or additional tips to share, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more how-to guides and tips. Catch you all in the next video.